you have this jug with the filter for the people that don't like drink tap water. So having this one here might make you change your mind. I don't like the water that's coming from the top. Stop complaining, you don't have a... Yoo-hoo! Hello! How are you doing? I hope not too bad. Doing magnificent today? Yeah? Oh yeah! Today, I'm going to perform a very high risk number for you. Please, if you have a children right now watching this, please, I beg you, take them away. I want to be responsible for this. Are you ready? You see these 2 cups here? I'm going to pile them in my head without holding it. Ready? As you can see, that part of not holding, I was lying. Ta-da! Come on then. Pom, 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 pom. I don't need this. So what we got today here? Ooh. Let me see. I don't know how to open boxes anymore. Oh, what should I do with this one here? I still got the power, so look what I'm going to do. Alright. Ooh. Nice. Ta-da! Alright. Massive. Okay. Marella from Brita. This is the jug with a filter that tells you when you need to change your filter. Oh, this is amazing. Yeah, okay. It comes with 6 filters. Alright. This is good for the people that complain, oh, I don't like the water that comes from top. Yeah. Stop complaining now. You have this one. Come on. Start drinking it. Water from the top. Oh, yeah. Come on then. Ooh. I'm not getting anything ready. The second time this is coming down. Ooh. Let's see. In German it says, welcome to the something Brita. I don't know what that means. Welcome. Okay, here we got our super jug. Alright. Look nice. Look there. Ah. Ta-da! I'm going to open it in a minute. Look, got the manual. I use manual in this channel. And it brought 6 filters. So we got 1 here for this side, 2 here on that side, 3 here on that side, 4 here on that side, and 5 here. Yeah, 5. You guys probably will have another 1 here, I presume. We'll find out. Okay. Do you need a manual for this? I don't think we need a manual for this. Oh no, see? Okay. Let's take this for now. As you can see, we have the small screen right here. Yeah, you can see information here. Probably the place to put the battery. I don't think this come out. I'll find out after. That tells you when you need to change the filter. I think it lasts more or less 4 weeks. So it tells you here 25%, 50, 75 and 100%. Probably when you put the water there, I mean when you put the filter there, you need to press the button, and from there it will just start counting 4 weeks from there. Okay. Oh yeah, as I said, there we go, the filter here. Ooh, more benefits. Okay, I will look into you in a minute, but I don't need you now. Oh, there we go. Brita Maxtra Plus. That's a filter. So as you can see here, how it is inside, and I'm going to place the filter inside. Ta-da! Right in the place. Hello. What's your name? And the good is it can fit inside the fridge. They said it has a capacity for 2.4 liters. But when you put the filter inside, as you can see, will be 1.4 liters. So you lose more or less 1 liter, but nothing to worry because you still have a filter, isn't it? So keep just pouring water inside, you'll be fine. Okay? As you can see, it's all mounted now. So what we need to do? Exactly. Let's pour water inside, and you can try and see how it tastes. Okay. I'm coming back in a second. Let me just go and put a bit of water inside, so you can see how it tastes like. Wait for me. Come in a sec. Yoo-hoo! I'm back again. Oh no. Oh yeah! Okay. As you can see here, right now, I did pour not full, but just a tiny bit of water. And you can see it here, it's dripping slowly. Don't know how long it takes. So it's filtering the water, and when it's ready, I'm going to try. Let's see what's going to happen. Meantime, ooh, look how fast it's going now. Can you see? Yeah, yeah, for sure. It really works. Okay. Let's give a few seconds just to see what's going to happen, then we can try it. Okay, so once I start using the filter right now, probably I need to press the button and make it start counting from now until 4 weeks. So I'm going to press the button. Okay, I did try a couple of times because I don't want to use the manual and I find out if I press one time, nothing going to happen. If I do a long press, I will be seeing, I shouldn't be doing that because the water will be dripping. Oh no, it's hot very well, look, and it's not dripping, and I can see the water from here. Wow, amazing. You can see there the 4 bars. So we'll be counting each week, probably 1 bar will be disappearing. So this is good. Okay, let's try the water just to see. Ta-dun, ta-dun. Tastes nice. A little different from the tap water, but it comes from the tap. Anyway. Very nice. This is a good acquisition. Yeah, definitely. Yep. Hello. Sorry, I'm not going to spit inside. If you are expecting that, you are wrong. Very wrong. Come on then. Go, 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 go. Ooh. Bye bye squash. No more juice. Amazing. Okay, it's counting. I don't know how long the battery lasts, but I will find out. I really don't know. I don't know. And the good, it brought all these filters to be using. So it's going to be for a long period, I guess. Look at this. Amazing. So I mount everything. Now I can see the instruction. No, not in this channel. Try to avoid the manual all the time. All the way possible. No manual. Manual, what's that? Okay, I think this video is getting very long. I should finish it. What do you think? Tell me. But I have one thing that I'm going to do. I'm going to ask you to press the like button. This is going to help the channel to grow. Maybe slowly, maybe fast, I don't know. But just do it. It's going to help. I'm sure it will. I don't know why, but I think it will. Anyway, I'm going to drink water. I need a water. Magnificent. Oh. Bye. Bye bye.